I want to talk to Citizen TV, Stephen Letoo. If you are here, you filed a very biased report on Sunday, and you are there personally. Criminals came and attacked us in church. They were driven away by Christians. They came back, backed by police with guns and fought us. The OCS 3 were tear gas canister in church. Then Stephen Letoo files a report that police came to separate gangs who were fighting. It's a lie. It's a lie. You know? Stephen Letoo says that police did not throw tear gas canister in church. We were there in church when the OCS 3 were tear gas canister. Let's be professional. Even if you want to run for a seat at the UDA, as long as you are working for a TV station, be neutral for now. When the time comes, resign, go and vie for the seat. The truth of the matter is that we were attacked by goons under police supervision and help. How do you report that police were separating gangs who were fighting? And you are there yourself, you are tear gas with us. Let's be professional. I have a lot of respect for Royal Media, and I'm a fan of Royal Media. But I want to register my distinct and disappointment with Stephen Letoo for that fake news and narrative you filed on Sunday. And you need to correct it. I am very disappointed with Nation, Taifa Leo, for reporting yesterday that I said Kikuyu should be elected in Nairobi when you know it's a lie.